important for individuals in Native communities to begin the conversation around STIs, HIV, and teen pregnancy prevention, trying to break that barrier and allow these conversations to begin to take place so we can also make sure that our Native youth are staying healthy and protecting themselves. My name is Angelie. I work with Johns Hopkins University Center for American Indian Health. I'm in Minneapolis doing a training for the Respecting the Circle of Life program. So we're here at the Minnesota Indian Women's Resource Center.
Sometimes it can be really hard to talk about sexual health or things like that. There's a lot of stigma around what that means and what it looks like within our society, and sometimes it's hard to find somebody to talk about it with. And so I think that this training gives a really good opportunity to just break down that stigma and break down those barriers of open communication about sexual health and about just advocating for yourself and what that means for you.
Respecting the Circle of Life is a fun program for youth. It teaches them life skills, communication, healthy relationships. It works with them to teach them safe sex skills, teaches them about everything that they need to know about their bodies changing and how relationships will change as they grow older. I'm Kristen Maston. I'm at the Johns Hopkins Center for American Indian Health. And I've worked on developing all sorts of programs, but this week I'm working with the Respecting the Circle of Life program. I'm in Minneapolis training a whole bunch of people here to use this program with youth in Minnesota.
This training is really important for the work that we're doing here at MIWRC and in Minneapolis in general, because it will allow us to deliver culturally relevant sexual health education to the youth that we're working with. I'm Logan Tootle. I am the Safe Harbor Youth Worker at the Minnesota Indian Women's Resource Center. So I work with Native youth in Minneapolis who are experiencing commercial sexual exploitation or who are at risk of experiencing commercial sexual exploitation.
It is really important for our students to know how to protect themselves, how to communicate what healthy relationships look like, and most importantly, what consent is. My name is Delilah Robb. I am a member of the Turtle Mountain Band of Chippewa Indians. I'm also a community health educator at the Indian Health Board. We really need to destigmatize conversations around sexual health, and I think that the Respecting the Circle of Life training really helps bridge that gap so we can teach our youth that, sex is part of life and that it is healthy to communicate about it. We just need to do it in a respectful way.